Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to demonstrate a Java project that I have completed years ago for a sweater company, and here you can see the login panel here. And in order to log into the system, first you have to sign up here, and here you can see the sign up button here. If I click the sign up button, then it will pop up sign up form. Here you can see the form here. Now you have to put your name, your age, your blood group, and you have to choose a security question in order to retrieve your password in case you forget it, and then you have to choose your answer here. Then you have to choose your username, your password, and you have to confirm your password here, and then you have to click the register button to save all the information. And next you have to click the back button again to go into the login panel. And here you can see the forget password option. If you forget your password, then you can simply click the button here, and if you put your username here and click the show button, this will show you information, and you have to answer the security question here. My security question is what is your nickname, and I am putting the answer here. My nickname is Upu, so I am putting it here. And if I click the retrieve button, and this is here, my password is Khan, so my username is SK and my password is Khan, my password is retrieved. So pressing the back button again. So let's go into the main section. In order to do that, first you have to put your username here, SK, and I'm putting my password Khan, and clicking on the here you can see also you can show your password, okay, or hide your password. And now click the login button, and here you can see all the informations of employees are available here. So if you want to add something, update something, delete something, you can all the actions you can do here. And here you can see a choose button here. Actually you can go in several panels. Suppose this is the admin panel of employee information. If you want to go to the salary sheet, you can click here, and if you want to go to the cash book panel, you can select here. Okay, now at first let's talk about the employee information. Here you can see the employee information tables and information box here. So if you want to know the information of a particular employee, just search here by ID. Suppose I want to know the information of ID 1, so if we click here, press here, enter here 1, and if we click the search button, it is going to show all the information of that particular ID. Okay, so here you can see the informations. If you want to add new one, you can add here, and you have to choose image and all the informations here, and you have to press the save button. And next, if you want to delete here, you have also the ability to delete them. And next, if you want to print a particular employee, you have also the ability to print it. If you click the print button, then you have to search by ID which employee information you want to print. If you search it, then if you press the print button, this will print all the information of that ID. And this is the print all button. If you want to print all the information that the database contains of employee, this will print you that too. Okay, now let's talk about the salary sheet. Actually, the salary sheet is all about how much salary employee will get. Okay, you can here you can see that table here that already here showing all the information that already registered here. If you press the add button here, this will add new information. Suppose I want to add salary for an ID number 8. His name is something like this, and his designation is this. Total days, suppose he works 30 days, and his basic pay, suppose this, and his house rent this, medical allowance this, convocation allowance this, food allowance this, gross salary, this is gonna calculate automatically. And overtime hours, suppose he worked 40 overtime hours, and overtime it is going to calculate automatically too. And attendance bonus, suppose he got 500 taka. Day shift, suppose he works day shift 20 days, and night shift he works 10 days. And tiffin bill, this is gonna calculate automatically. And total salary is this also calculates automatically. Days absent, suppose he absent 0, and deduct if you want to deduct some amount from his salary, you can also do that. Suppose he took advance 1000 taka, sorry, 1000 taka from you can also put it here, and net salary the employee will get, this is going to show it here. And the month, suppose you are calculating it for July, and if you have to put here the month name and paying it, suppose you want to pay the salary in July 1. Okay, so now you have to click the save button, and then here you can see data registered successfully, and if you click the OK button, and then here you can see the information is saved. Here you can see an important thing, that is statistics. So if you want to know all the information of a particular month, then this will show you. Here you can see in month of July, total gross salary is this, total overtime hour is this, total attendance bonus, total advance, all the informations are here, and you can also show them in a pie chart. Here you can see in pie chart it also showing the informations. Okay, and now I'm pressing the back button here. Here you can see also got the print button to print all the informations here too, and I click the back button here, and here you also can update, delete any information. And now let's talk about the cash book panel. Here you can see the cash book panel. Actually this is all about the expenditure and deposit in a particular month. Here you can see you can search the information of a by giving the voucher number here of a here you can see the voucher number is July 12, and you can see the amount here, deposit and expenditure here also. Suppose I am putting a month here July, so this will going to show all the information of month July. You can see that deposit amount is this, and total deposit this, and total expenditure is this, and total profit is this. And this is actually a custom field for that company. Actually they have two partners, Namira and another one is Siddhika. They have particular machine, actually they are knitting machines. So they have, suppose Namira has 50 machine quantity and Siddhika has suppose 30 machine quantity. So if you click the calculate button, then it is going to show you how many profit Namira will get and how many profit Siddhika will get. Okay, and here you can add the information of your safe deposit and safe expenditure. Okay, and next you can, if you want to delete them, you also have the ability to delete them, and if you want to print, you have that ability too. And if you want to print all, this is going to print all the information. Okay, so here you can see if you want to print for a particular month, this will going to print all the information of that particular month. Okay, here you can see suppose I want to know information of July. If I search data search successfully, I can see all deposit information here already showing that here. Actually in July there is no information, deposit information. Suppose if you want to know the information of July, actually it has all the information already here. And if you want to refresh here, this will refresh the information and this will print your information here. So I'm cancelling this and going back to the again cash book panel. Actually it's I have done a mistake here. Going back to the again, I can see the information of July actually here. So you have to press the refresh and print button to see the information of that particular month, and now it's showing the month of July here. Okay, so refresh and print again. If you want to search the month of July, you have to refresh it and print it here. Okay, so you can see the information here, and all this. And now let's go back to the main panel again. So this is it. This is all about the software that I have completed years ago for a sweater company. If you want a software for you or for your business company, you can just mail me or comment in the section below. I will try to make that software as fast as soon as possible and in a cheaper rate. Okay, so thank you everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.